Ever pondered how to express excitement, obligation, determination, necessity, and ability in a language that's not your mother tongue? Today we're going to dissect these expressions in English using the Hindi language as a stepping stone. Imagine a scenario where you're thrilled about meeting someone. In Hindi, you'd say, "Main usse milne ke liye utsahit hoon." In English, this translates to, "I am excited to meet her." Excitement can extend to various situations, such as watching a match or seizing an opportunity. Now, consider a situation where you're compelled to do something. In Hindi, "Mujhe wahan deri se jana pad raha hai" translates to, "I am having to go there late" in English. The phrase "having to" indicates an obligation or necessity. This could extend to cooking food, inviting someone, or even selling your house. But what about expressing determination or resolve? In Hindi, you'd say, "Wah mujhe peetne par tuli hui hai," which in English translates to, "She is bent on beating me." This phrase, "bent on," signals a strong determination to do something, whether it's punishing children, dancing, or even attempting to ruin someone. Next, let's tackle the concept of necessity. In Hindi, "Use mehnat karni padti hai" translates to, "He has to work hard" in English. The phrase "has to" signifies a necessity, an action that must be done. This could range from working hard to living without someone. Finally, consider expressing ability or incapability. In Hindi, "Wah tumhare bina nahi reh pati hai" translates to, "She is not able to live without you" in English. The phrase "not able to" indicates an inability or incapability. This can extend to situations like leaving someone away from home or protecting someone. In summary, today we explored how to express excitement, obligation, determination, necessity, and ability in English, using Hindi as a reference. Remember, the phrases "excited to," "having to," "bent on," "has to," and "not able to" are your keys to conveying these emotions and situations. So next time you find yourself in a conversation, remember these phrases and use them to express your thoughts with precision and confidence.